So these are not the melt in mouth type of cookies. These are crunchy and crispy, and they have the texture similar to the Britannia biscuits. These are very tasty and you can feel the flavor of oats. So here I have given you the ingredients required to make this cookies. So you can note it down. So this is the pictorial representation of the ingredients required. So apart from these ingredients, we'll be adding the vanilla powder and salt. So first we will be mixing all the dry ingredients, and here I have added maida or all-purpose flour, and then desiccated coconut, oats. So I'm going to use only 3/4 of the oats. Remaining we will be using it later. And then milk powder, you can either take it in 1 tablespoon or you can measure it in grams. Then baking powder, vanilla powder. So vanilla powder is available in shop. This is similar to vanilla essence. And then the required amount of salt for this recipe. So now we will be mixing all these dry ingredients well with a spatula. The dry ingredients mixture is ready. Keep it aside. Take another bowl and into this add 100 grams of powdered sugar. So apart from this I have taken 35 grams of normal sugar and 125 grams of softened butter. So take butter and keep it in room temperature for around 30 minutes or half an hour. Do not keep more than that, and mix it well with a spatula. Then we will be using our hand blender to make it light and fluffy. So just beat it well, and you can see the see how the texture of this mixture changes. It will turn pale in color, and it will become very creamy, light and fluffy. So that is the right texture, so we have to get that. Now this is ready. So remove all the butter from that rod, and then mix it with a, just bring all the butter together with a spatula, and then add 35 ml of milk into this and slightly mix it. And into this mixture we will be adding our dry ingredients. Add it in batches and gently mix it with the wet ingredients. The purpose is to bring all the ingredients together, so there is no need to knead it very vigorously like we make a chapati dough. Just bring all the ingredients together. So it is almost done. Next we will be using our hands to make it into a ball. The cookie dough or the biscuit dough is almost ready. Now on the working surface, sprinkle some maida and keep the cookie dough on it. Then you can just use your belen or a chapati pin, rolling pin, and you can roll it out. You should not roll it out very thin. It should be half inch or half centimeter thickness. So on this we will be sprinkling the remaining oats on the top, and we will be pressing it on the cookie dough, rolled out cookie dough. So use the rolling pin to do this. So gently press it so that the oats will stick to the cookie dough. Now you can use a cookie cutter and cut it into your desired shape. So here I have used this shape. You can also use a normal round shape. You can make round shape cookies. So already I have lined the baking tray with a butter paper. So arrange these cookies on the baking tray. If you do not have a cookie cutter at home, you can use a lid of any small container. So after making the after shaping the cookies, then again bring all the remaining dough together and repeat the same steps. Like we have to make it into a ball, then roll it out, and we will be cutting it into cookies. So the cookies should be this thickness. Only then it tastes really good. So here I'm showing again. I'm showing you these steps. So I will also try making this cookie with a wheat flour. and then I will share you the recipe with you. So for this quantity, I got nearly 84 small cookies. So if you're making a medium sized cookies, then you might get around 40 cookies. Already I have preheated the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. Now I'm going to bake it at the same temperature and keeping it in the upper rack for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, remove the tray and keep it in the lower rack for 5 minutes, and your cookies will be done. So what I have observed is like my oven gets heated up so fast and the baking is will be done fast. So the oven's behavior will change from oven to oven, so you have to observe it. And so that time and temperature might vary. Now the oats biscuits are ready. Allow it to cool. So immediately after removing it from the oven, it might be very soft, but when you cool it under the fan, then it will become it will harden. See the texture of the cookies, it has baked really well and it is really great. You can feel the taste of that oats, and store it in the container, and you can use it for around, you can keep it for 2 months or 2.5 months. So do try this recipe at home and give me your feedback. See you all in another recipe. Until then, it's bye from Nirinshna Shankar Narayanan. Thank you.